Gon' ride,
Yeah,
can't
she
ride.
say she gon' ride.
I can't waste no time. Feel like time
I can't waste
ain't
no
never.
time. Trust to get you killed, and love will get you stabbed in your back. Where were you when I was down on my back? When I took a fall, you ain't try to call or pick up the call. Give it all or give it all. See it all and hear it all. They don't wanna hear me out. They know I've been through it all. They know we didn't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Shaneil, and I'm back with another video. So, I just started doing a lot of videos, and I kind of asked you guys to introduce myself, or if y'all know who it is and who it ain't. You feel me? So, while I'm talking, I'm gonna be eating this nighttime. Well, I don't know if it's nasty. I never tried it, but it's Alfredo. I didn't make this. Normally, I'll make my own, but this is like the one that was frozen, not frozen, but in the fridge. So a little tiny mukbang with, I got a banana and I got some aloe vera. Healthy. If y'all don't drink aloe vera, y'all could. But I add some salt on it, so that's probably why it's good. But I'm gonna start with facts about me, like little facts. Sorry, I keep getting up. Okay, so I'll say one fact about me is that I was nice, like once upon a time I was nice, but my past, like stuff that I went through, I became really mean. Like, not mean, like I'm not mean, but I wasn't as nice as I used to be. The second thing is, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I love to laugh, even like when shit is going bad. Like, you know that saying where black people don't take nothing serious? I'm one of those black persons. I take stuff serious, but my way of like getting over it, or like, how you say it? I make like rough times into a joke to make myself feel better. Or sometimes I just be laughing. I laugh a lot. But sometimes I know when to stop laughing. I never got like, nobody ever told me that, oh, you laugh too much or you laugh ridiculous stuff. Like, I know when to stop laughing. When stuff get like really, really serious. Like, look. Another thing about me, I'm in 8th grade. I'm turning 15 this year. I'm going to 9th. My birthday is August 7th. I'm from Jamaica, but I grew up in Florida. You know. I grew up in Florida, and yeah, I grew up in Florida. I grew up in Florida. I'm not gonna say where in Florida. West Palm Beach. I can say that, I guess. I kind of want water. That aloe vera not gonna do it right now. I actually don't know if I'm nice or mean. I just know that I could be mean. Like, most of the time, I be mean. Y'all see the steam? It's hot. Can't see it. Mine is way better. When I cook, I can cook a lot of stuff. I cook everything. let's get to deep stuff. Like, I don't want to get in my past stuff that I've been through, but I could put out that I've been homeless 2 times. I've been homeless, but my mom had to actually go through it, because when we went homeless, I moved with my auntie. Well, I didn't move wherever, I stayed wherever. For summer, my mom got a place by then. She was living in her car. And I feel like God blessed me with the house that I'm living in right now. I have my own room. Yeah. One thing that I went through. So I went homeless and then I moved into this house. It was in the ghetto. We still live in the ghetto, but it was in the ghetto. I had fake friends. I had friends that were fake. We'll play around all day, and then one time she said, gave me a hug, dragged me by my hair, my real hair. She like pulled my hair out. That's just one thing that happened to me. That's why nowadays I don't let anybody in my life. I don't trust nobody. Kind of got trust issues. I'm effed up here, but I always have a smile on my face. Growing up, I always got this mentality where don't take shit from nobody. If you did something wrong, know where you are wrong at. But if you didn't do anything wrong, you got people, oh, this, that. Don't take that. It is situations where, oh, just be quiet, keep quiet. Because if you retaliate, bad stuff can happen. So, I do be quiet. Sometimes. And I always learn that. I'm gonna do a story time on the first time I got high by eating edibles. It's gonna come out after this video. I finished my plate. I'm gonna eat my banana, drink some of this, and some water, and I'm gonna end this video. Guys, you should try this out. It's aloe. You can't really taste aloe, but they got coconut water in here. I don't know if you can see it, but they also got the coconut chunks. That's it right there. Yeah, I don't know more about it. I have 3 brothers. I think one lives in England. And then the other 2 lives in Jamaica. I might do a story time on them too. First time meeting my brother. Well, the one that's in England. Guys, you cannot eat bananas at school because people be so negative. I'm like, damn. Okay. But, it's just looking at me, y'all. I looked over. It's just looking at me. I want a puppy so bad. Another thing, that I want to tell y'all is, what was it? I don't want no more. Let me get some water. Am I the only one that still open water like that? I'm goofy. I need to bring my goofy side out on YouTube, cause I'm real goofy. It was something else. What was that? Choose your friends wisely. That's all I got. Choose your friends wisely. Make sure. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Do what you gotta do. Bye.